Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, Basement Ninja. Let's say you're in your crawl space, you're trying to install a French drain around the perimeter of the crawl space, put in that sump pump, you're digging along, and then bam, you hit a footer. What do you do? Okay, so this question comes from our chat that we've got on our DIY store. I'm installing a crawl space drain inside the crawl space of the outer footer. My dilemma is that my footers run perpendicular, so as I dig down along the wall, I run into a footer perpendicular to the wall. Do I chisel it out? Just enough to get the water to run? That's what he's asking. Okay, so first of all, I am not in the fan of chiseling out footers. They are there for a reason. Whether, it was a design flaw, maybe they poured a footer down there and then they decided they didn't need it, so they didn't build on it. But the point is, it's there for a reason. So let's take a look at this picture right here. And I feel like this really gives us a good indication of what we're talking about. So this is the footer that was installed on this property, and as you can see, it continues around the dirt mound. Now that's most likely going to be the garage, if I had to guess, right up here. So this is either going to be a crawl space or a tall basement. Chances are they're going to put an outside drain out here. But what I'm gathering, the question is that imagine you can't see these footers, all right? So there's dirt over these footers and you can't see. So you start over here by the crawl space door and you start digging along where that blue pipe is, and you turn the corner and then bam, you hit that perpendicular footer right there in the middle. If you think about it, that's a lot of concrete to chisel out to put. If you're using an easy flow pipe, it could be a 7-inch diameter or bigger pipe that you're going to have to remove that concrete. And what if that footer, for some reason, was installed to support this other section of the footer for whatever reason? But chances are they probably were planning on building a block or a concrete wall on top of this center footer. So if that was the case, then you would see the block wall there. But from what it sounds like is he's digging along and then this footer just comes up out of nowhere inside his crawl space. So what he's going to have to do is basically create two separate water management or French drain systems inside each of these footers. He's going to need to put a perimeter trench on this first section here with a sump pump, and then a perimeter trench on this second section here with a sump pump. That is how I would recommend you address that situation if you come across a hidden footer, whether it's in a crawl space or a basement. So great question. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.